Let me share with you some of my favorite features of this Keurig 2.0 coffee maker. This here is the Keurig 2.0 coffee maker. Easily makes individual 1 cups of coffee at a time. And with this removable drip tray, you can even fit tumblers under there easily. As I was just mentioning, there is this removable drip tray. Makes it easy to clean. Has this easy lift handle. Place for you to put your pods. Place it in. Close it. It's that easy. It has this touch screen here. You can see it has a clock. If I hit this on button, then I lift, place in my pod, close, and it is ready to go. And just by touching here, you can do a 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10, or 12 ounces. Makes it very convenient. Down here, you can see if I want to have a strong blend, I can kick that button on for strong. I'm doing hot cocoa or other, I can click that. And to begin brewing, I press this flashing button. It's letting me know that it is ready. And the water tank on the side has this nice illumination to it. Place for your filter. Has this easy lift for adding more water. They have mini carafes that you can put under there, coffee pots. They have storage containers, this riser one that opens up. And this is the best part about Keurig is the large variety of different types of beverages, coffees, teas. You can even get cough medicine. You can do apple cider, hot cocoa. The list goes on. And then this accessory here, this little drawer, makes it great for storing those. And of course, they do make extra filters that you can change out to make sure that you're using the freshest water. So if you're looking for a new Keurig machine, this Keurig 2.0 is really great. I really like it. It has a lot of the nice features that I really like. It allows you to try a variety of different coffees without having to make a whole pot. Makes it really quick in the morning just to make a quick 1 cup of coffee and be on your way out the door. So check this one out.